Hey Divi Nation, welcome to another installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away 2 free Divi Layout Packs. And for the first layout pack this week, Kenny and the team have created for you a free and efficient Locksmith Layout Pack. This Locksmith Layout Pack is perfect for any website in the service industry. It has 7 different pages included, and 3 of them are dedicated solely to showcasing your services. The design of the layout is both professional and welcoming, and the landing page has clear calls to action with accessible contact information throughout, which is perfect for a locksmith company. So go ahead and check it out and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this layout on your own website. Now, before you can start importing pre-made layouts from the Divi library, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. This can be done by going to your WordPress dashboard and navigating to Divi, Theme Options, and then click the Updates tab. There, make sure you enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Once done, you will have access to the layouts without a problem. Now we're ready to start adding our layouts to our pages. To do that, we need to create a new page. So navigate to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Visual Builder. Click to expand the menu at the bottom of the page, and then click Add from Library icon. Go ahead and scroll down to find the Locksmith Layout Pack. Click on it, and then you can see all the different layouts available within the pack. Go ahead and select the one that you want to use, and then click Use this layout. And once the layout's loaded to your page, don't forget to publish it. Now, all you need to do is continue this process to create 7 pages, each with their corresponding new layout. Now you're ready to go ahead and add a new menu to your website. To do that, go ahead and navigate to your WordPress dashboard, and navigate to Appearance, Menus. There, go ahead and enter a menu name and click Create Menu. Go ahead and click the Select All button to the left to select all the new pages that you have created, and then click to add them to the menu. Under your menu structure area, you can reorganize all the menu items however you want. After that, go ahead and select your display location to be primary menu, and then click Save Menu. And one last step is that you're going to need to make sure that your home page is displaying your home static page. To do that, go ahead and navigate to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, select the new page you created with your new home page layout. After that, click Save Changes. Now your site is up and running and ready to go. All right, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We do hope that you've been enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative. It's our way of giving you something a little extra special in your design toolbox every single week. And please be sure to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like our Facebook page. That way you can receive notifications every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.